Reserved. Lakeview Shelter. Well, if somebody comes, then I will leave. As you probably read in the title, I don't even know what the title is going to be yet because I haven't edited the video, but it has something to do with being bald no more. What's that mean? Well, if you go back and remember back, I'm guessing, I don't know how long ago, but I have made a video about me thinking about growing my hair back whenever I grow my winter fur in for winter. And the reason I want to grow the hair back in because it may be a little bit of warmth through the winter, and I may end up keeping it this time. Guys, I literally have been bald-headed now for 7 years. Now, I'm probably, well, there ain't no probably to it, I'm growing my hair back starting yesterday. And if you're asking why so soon, it's real simple. My razor broke. Of course, I could always use a regular razor and shaving cream. I've done that for years. But to be truthful with you, my bathroom sink does not work at all nowadays. Yeah, it needs to be replaced. So I had to go to the kitchen sink. Then I had to put a mirror behind the faucet. It became a pain in the ass. So I started using my regular razor, which was a lot quicker and actually gave me a better shave, believe it or not. So I've used that for multiple years now. And I had the razor for 10 years. Actually, I got the razor pretty much the week I was out of the hospital after my heart attack, 10 years ago. It lasted that long, believe it or not. Real quick, where I'm at now, and this might be hard to believe, I'm here in Versailles State Park, okay? You guys know how much I'm up here at Versailles State Park. It is my favorite place to be. Well, this is one of the shelters. If I was to tell you this is only my second time here at this shelter, would you believe me? This shelter is so popular, every time we come to the park, we can never find it without, well, vacant. Never. And the first time I came here was on our anniversary back in 2021, and I think Missy and Sam was with us. We was eating McDonald's right back there at one of the tables. So this is our second time, and 1 second. Hey, Angie? Yeah. Here's a treat when you get them to sit. Give them a sit down. Yes, I'm trying to teach Angie to get him to sit for her because I want him to start minding her. Now, will I keep the hair off? That's a mighty good question, y'all. I'm 50-50 on it. 50% of me says, yeah, go ahead and let it grow back. The other 50% of me says, no, stay bald. I am on the line. But I wanted to do it anyway. And one of the other reasons I want to do it, because my youngest son, I'm sure you've seen him in videos, the one that is the amateur photographer, he's got long hair. Guys, when I met Angie, and for many years I had that hair. Yes, long and wavy. And I'm curious if I still got the waves. Now, if I grow my hair in, I'm not ever cutting it. Ever. Well, unless I shave it. If I decide to grow my hair in, I'm still going to have the bald spot right here. Yeah. There's no way around that. And it's probably going to be a little bit on the thin side right here. There's no way around that. But I plan on growing it and never ever cutting it. It's going to probably come in very gray or snowball. It's probably going to be the color of this. It's going to literally age me. It's going to freaking age me within a couple months. The whole reason 7 years ago I decided to shave it all off and keep it off for 7 years was for a couple reasons. One of the reasons was, yeah, I wanted to hide the gray on my head. Yes, I admit to that. I literally got tired of washing my hair. Well, that's not true. Before I went bald, guys, I was doing the burr cut for quite a few years still, okay? And Angie said one day, well, why don't you just shave it all off? And what made me decide to shave it all off, here you go, the number one reason is, I looked in the mirror one day and what looked back at me I did not like. Because I looked like somebody, I'm not going to mention who, and it bothered me. I mentioned this once before in the video, I don't feel like mentioning it now. I'm still going to have to wear the suntan lotion on the bald spot. Yeah, when I go without a hat, which this is my adventure hat and my fishing hat. I'm gonna have to start getting shampoo and conditioner again. Yeah, all that stuff's gonna come into play. It's gonna take years for me to get my hair the way it was, well, when I had it long last. It's gonna take years. Maybe it's time though. Maybe it's time to grow this all out, grow this into this, grow this down. Maybe that's my inner being saying, let it grow out. Let it you become who you is. Who you truly is. Maybe a mountain man. I could be. You guys have no idea what I want to do. I want to get some overalls too. And pretty much that's all I want to wear is overalls. No shit. Whoops, I said 2 bad words in this video. I'm sorry. Off the subject, but if you was to come here and have yourself a little party, you can't pick a better place. It's in the shade. Right now where I'm at is every bit of 10 degrees cooler than what it is outside the shave. Or outside the shade. I said shave. Because out yonder there, it's 90 degrees. So guys, I'm growing it back. Actually starting yesterday, and what kicked me in my butt to do it was a broken razor. I can easily go out and get another one. I don't know when I'm going to start growing this back yet. I do not know. I may give that a couple days of growth and figure that out. I truly do not know when. I may grow it back right now too. Yeah. Growing this in does bother me after having it on there a couple months. Because, yeah. But if I do grow this back, I'm going to keep it away to keep it trimmed down low. I say that every year, but I never follow through with it. So guys, women too, it's time to grow it back. And try to hold on to it until it gets at least the length where I decide if I want to keep it or not. I am 50-50. So let's go for, it's right now September, November, December. Let's go to Christmas. And I will make a decision there if I want to keep going. By Christmas, it should be about maybe, what do you think, about that long? I'm guessing maybe, or I'm just guessing. We'll go to Christmas and see. Until next time, guys, thanks for watching. I'm growing my hair back now. Yeah. I won't be the bald man no more. I won't be in the bald category no more. I'm going to be a hairy son of a gun. That's okay. Thanks for watching, y'all. Come on, let's get out of here.